going on YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another one for you guys, man. Take a look. We have the Air Jordan 4 Union 30th anniversary. I'm gonna give you guys a detailed review and an on feet of both of them, guys. Taupe Haze right here, as you guys can see, and I also have the Air Jordan 4 Union Desert Moss. Before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys can get notified when I upload videos like these. Also, I want to talk to you guys about a giveaway that's going on right now. My boy JSOLE, here's his Instagram right here. I will link his YouTube in the description. He is giving away any one of these sneakers right here. Alright, you pay attention. Any one of these sneakers right here, or you have a chance to pick cash, which is $350. That's crazy. That's a crazy giveaway, guys. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, go subscribe to my boy JSOLE's YouTube channel. This is YouTube right here, but I will link it in the description below. So go click his YouTube channel, go check out his videos, and also follow him on IG. I'm telling you now, you don't want to miss out on these giveaways, guys. These giveaways are dope. He's always doing giveaways, can be a lucky winner. So go into that giveaway right now on Instagram. Go subscribe to my boy JSOLE's YouTube channel, and we about to get into this Air Jordan 4 Unions. I was able to get these off of GOAT for a good price, but these I did hit on Union LA. I was very lucky to grab this Taupe Haze pair right here. It took forever to come. They actually came today. We're just gonna jump straight into it. I'm gonna show you guys how these both look together. Jordan brand did release the other Unions. I was only able to get these, man, and I really wanted the black pair the most. The black pair is probably the best pair out of all of them, and everyone knows I love the Jordan 4, so this is a must cop for me right here. I'm gonna show you guys how the Taupe Haze came and how they look, and I'm gonna show you guys how the Desert Moss looks. I want to know which one you guys like better in the comment sections below, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I do like the Desert Moss better. In my opinion, the Desert Moss is better to me. I know a lot of you guys like the Taupe Haze, but I think the Desert Moss looks better in my opinion. Comes in a Union box. When you open up the box, you got MJ on the paper. So we're going to jump straight into it. Really quick review, okay? As you can see, did come with the hang tag. Both pairs does come with this hang tag. It's like I got a yellow to it, and it says Union on it with the Jumpman. Alright, and it also has this one here, 1991 to 2021, 30th year anniversary. Shoe features a nice suede material. It does come with 2 sets of laces. It comes with these blue laces, which I think will look better on the shoe than these green ones, in my opinion. All right, front of the toe box, as you guys can see, does have that Taupe Haze, and you do got like a mesh material on the front, following with a nice suede material on the front of the toe box. Air Jordan on the tongue. In the blue, this blue is popping, guys. Now I'm not gonna go and cut the tongue or nothing like that. I just figure I'm gonna wear it like that, you know. The Union tag right there on the side. You got the blue inside the air bubble unit. Take a look at the medial side of the Taupe Haze pair. You got the green clear translucent wing netting. Take a look at the back. You got your Nike Air in the blue with the green pull tab. You got some mesh over here on the ankle collar right there. All blue sock liner, the yellow inner sole with the blue Jumpman in there. Real quick, straight to the point, man. These are the Taupe Haze pair. If you want these are going for a pretty good penny. They like around $700-800, yo. They might drop. Take a look at the Desert Moss pair. This pair is going for like $400, man. You could cop this pair for very low price right now. So if I was you guys, I suggest you guys cop them now. Does come with the hang tag like the Taupe Haze. Does come with this other hang tag, and it does say 1991 to 2021. Desert Moss pair, they hit you with the purple with that Desert Moss. Let's start off with the back. You got that nice lilac kind of purple in the back with the blue pull tabs. As you can see, you got that Desert Moss in that suede. Real nice too. When you rub it, it changes. You know, the quality on the shoe is A1. Got the Union tag, translucent wing. You got the blue honeycomb eyelid right there. Front of the toe box, you do got that purple in that mesh. Does come with the blue laces. Comes with the green laces. I like the blue laces the most. On the tongue, it does say Air Jordan in that blue. Bottoms of the shoe. These are the Taupe Haze. These are the Desert Moss. I'm gonna give you guys a quick 360 look at them, and then I'm gonna show you guys what they look like on feet. You can see Desert Moss pair right here. These are just fire, guys. Like, I thought these were gonna be like so ugly in the beginning. All right, that is basically it, man. Gave you guys a quick review on these Air Jordan 4 Unions. Here's the Taupe Hazes. One last look. All right, there goes the back. There you have it, Taupe Haze. And then we go to the Desert Moss. Alright, I love the Desert Moss pair more than the Taupe Haze in my opinion, but they both are dope shoes, man, to add to the collection. But enough talking, man. I'm going to show you what they look like on feet. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. If you guys trying to cop these, go to your GOAT app. Try to get them on GOAT or StockX. Do a bid. You probably could get them for, you could definitely get these for a low price. Now, the Taupe Haze, they going for a pretty penny right now. But eventually, just take it. It might drop in a couple of, it might drop, but it might go up. I don't know, man. But I still think if I was going to invest, I would cop these Desert Moss. Alright, enough talking, man. Thank you all for your support. Make sure you hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. We're about to get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.